The Xiaomi 14 Ultra is set to hit the shelves in just a few days, and Xiaomi is betting big on this release. Previously, we caught a glimpse of some official renders, showcasing a camera-centric phone boasting a powerful chipset and an impressive micro-curve display with minimal side and top bezels. Speaking of the camera, the specifications are impressive. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra features a Sony IMX900 1-inch sensor, along with a Summilux lens. This combination promises to enhance light capture by 136%, ensuring stunning images both day and night. Additionally, the phone boasts a super wide-angle camera and dual telephoto lenses, which can also function as macro cameras, offering users a versatile photography experience. Xiaomi is even launching a photography kit for the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, allowing users to attach filter lenses for added creativity. Design-wise, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra bears resemblance to its predecessor, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, but with a textured camera module and a sleek gold-colored finish, adding a touch of sophistication. The recently leaked renders of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra showed black and white color options, but there will also be a new blue color, according to what appears to be the promotional material of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra shared on Weibo. The new color appears to have a matte finish with a color-matched frame. It is believed to feature a ceramic coating on the back panel. In comparison, the white and black versions look to have vegan leather back based on the renders. The rest of the design looks identical, though. In terms of specs, leaks suggest a 6.73-inch display and a 50-megapixel quad camera setup, including a main camera, super-wide lens, and 3x and 5x telephoto zoom lenses. Powering the device is a robust 5,100 mAh battery with support for 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring lightning-fast charging speeds. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra packs a punch with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and Xiaomi Hyper OS technology, promising top-notch performance and efficiency. With a 98% powerful NPU for speedy AI processing, a 30% more powerful CPU, and a 25% more powerful GPU, this device is primed to deliver exceptional performance. However, there's a buzz in the air regarding the price. Rumors suggest that the Xiaomi 14 Ultra could come with a hefty price tag of $1,499 for the 512GB variant, putting it in the same league as the Samsung S24 Ultra. This begs the question, will consumers prefer Xiaomi over Samsung at this price point? So what's your take on this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.